Hello everyone, my name is Masood Amidi and I'm a senior fundamental analyst at Xylostar. Once again, we are here to review the latest FOMC meeting which we had last night. So you may know last night we had a meeting which held by FOMC, or better to say Federal Reserve Open Market Committee, plus the dot plot which we had. So I want to start it with the FOMC statement. So as you can see here, FOMC participants still believe that although inflation is coming down, the economy is still at the solid pace and the unemployment is pretty normal. So they decided to cut the federal fund rate only by the half of percentage, or better to say 0.5%. We received also the dot plot, or better to say economic projection from the FOMC, and I'm gonna review it. So as you can see here in the latest economic projections, you can see the latest predictions for the interest rate, inflation, unemployment rate, and also economic growth have changed from the previous projections. So here we have it, and let's dive into it deeper. So as you can see here in the latest economic projection, we received the change in real GDP for the September versus the June projection. As you can see here for 2024, FOMC participants started to decrease only for 2024 the economic growth by 0.1%. From the unemployment side, from the unemployment rate, we got also some changes. As you can see here for 2024, FOMC participants predicted higher unemployment rate for 2024, 2025, and also 2026, which is very vital for market nowadays. And also from the inflation side, we had the PC inflation and core PC inflation projections. As you can see here, PC inflation started to come down among the FOMC participants projections, and also for the core PCE inflation, same to the PCE. And for the last one, we can mention regarding to federal fund rate. As you can see here, they started to predict lower interest rate by the end of 2024. It means that market participants were right, and now in the eyes of FOMC members, they started to do what? They started to predict cutting rate for 2024 in multiple times. So I'm gonna review also the dot plot here. As you can see here, this is the latest dot plot which we had from the last night, and better to say near all the 19 participants of FOMC members predicted multiple cuts, or better to say rate cuts, for the federal fund rate interest rate. So here was the brief summary regarding to the dot plot and also economic projection, and also a statement of the latest FOMC meeting. And I'm gonna review also the speech of the Jerome Powell. After that, we got a speech by chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome J. Powell, and he pointed that the economy is at the solid pace in the United States, and now the main focus of the Fed is not on the inflation side. It means that nowadays labor market has more weight on decision of the Federal Reserve regarding to the economy. Totally, it means that all the market participants and also FOMC participants were correct for 2024, and now it matched with each other. It means that we are gonna have multiple rate cut for 2024, and it means that it can put some pressure on dollar, and it may help the equity market to pump higher. Do not forget, if you want to increase the probability of success, or better to say your win rate in the financial market, always mix the fundamental and technical together. Have a good day. Take care.